Alright, everybody, welcome back to Aloft already. So, we're gonna have to see how everything goes. I did have a bit of a glitch on my game a while back because I was trying to track down some more keys in between episodes. It wasn't much. I ran from these islands all the way over back to this set of islands and went and searched for all the chests I can find. Didn't find a single darn key. But I did find a couple of things. It wasn't much. More or less just a bunch of collectible shenanigans. I did also find another black sheep. But past that, not much. I am working on clearing this area because I'm thinking about building up a structure to build level there. Thinking about building it out to probably about right here-ish. Yeah, it's going to be a big structure. I got a lot of building resources that I have not been using. I'm thinking the lower level here will be sectioned off to be a couple of different critter pens. So I'll have a section here for the sheep that'll come out to like probably here. Then I'll have another area for some other critter, and then probably another one for another critter. And I'm thinking the upper layer up there, right next to the house, might just be my farm. I'll move that up there. But it all depends on how everything works out. Because I still need to get everything aligned because my OCD says I need to. Alright. But this episode is not about that just yet. Because I have... I did find a couple of Atlas stones. I forgot to mention that. Let's go ahead and use one. That is in an area I can't get to. Ooh, that's not too far off. And another one in the area I can't get to just yet. Because I need the wool. So, let's go ahead and set... What am I doing? Oh, I'm jumping up to the map guide things. Anyways, getting distracted. I want to get to those fresh islands. So, let's start afloat. Alright, so my thoughts, well that's getting me over there, to get my structure started is something like that. And then get let's see. Can I get you to snap on the bottom? Problem with trying to do a bit of building. Can't always get everything to work out. Oh, there's the stutter. Kind of see him coming in. No. Oh, we are practically there. There is a bit of stuttering. Slow down. Let's see, where is that island? It is practically right below us. So, there we go. First of a handful of islands. Let's see what we got here. Looks good and healthy from here. Still getting a bit of the stutter. I'm worried that's a sign that the game is having issues. A couple more critters, which it doesn't need. See anything big here? I think I will take the critters if I can find them again. Wouldn't think the darn thing could get it very far. Ooh. Still no key. Ah, there you are. So darn small. There we go. Well, I got the main thing I was looking for on this island. And there's the stutter again. Always has me a touch worried. With all this stuttering it's doing. Nah, I should be good on charcoal for now. That, on the other hand, I will take. Do I have any food that boosts materials yet? No. Because it would be nice to start getting a larger bonus of raw materials. Ah. There's the next one. Alright. That seems to be everything I can get here. And I'll do a lot of this building off camera, that way you guys don't have to watch me fandangle it. There we go. And there's the next island there. It looks like a combat one. Alright. So I'm only seeing one of the big things. Let's go ahead and eat that, and since I picked it up, why not? Come here, you little... Nope, nope, nope. Ah, yep. And another one got me. What is up with this thing just wanting to catch me? Of course it grabs me as I'm busy trying to kill it. Thought I killed you. Before I equip my bandages. There we go. Back to killing you. And there we go. One cleared out island. It is good to go. Doesn't require any intervention from me. That is fantastic. There we go. Oop. Not 100% sure what all I can use these flowers for, but you can pick them up, so... Do a slow flyover. Too many darn trees. That sounds like my alarm. Ooh. What are you gonna give me? Oh. Wooden animal bell. That sounds interesting. What does it do? Oh. Okay. That's interesting. So it's more or less if you're free ranging your critters instead of having them penned. Well, everybody, I'm going to do a final flyover on this in between episodes and then maybe do a little bit of building. Or maybe not. Depends on how I get things going. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And if you're feeling angsty, go down and subscribe to me and tell me what you think of this game. And if you got any suggestions, put them down below. See you next time. Bye!